Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at Remax, your favorite and your very cold realtor out here filming for you in Viridian. We have a great video for you that's going to highlight all of the different options. We hear about different builders all the time, different neighborhoods. Viridian is a really unique area. We're talking about North Arlington, just off of Collins, like way north of Green Oaks. If you haven't heard of Viridian yet, I suggest you look into it. I think most people have heard of it at this point because it's gotten so popular. There is a wide range of homes available here. We go all the way from townhome situations in the high 200s all the way up to $1 million homes. And some of those $1 million homes are on this island that is right behind me. Actually, this bridge that I'm standing on, this is very new to Viridian. For probably 8 years, they've been talking about as they develop this and what the island's going to be like and whatever. So here we are 8 years after inception of the idea, and the island is finally open. So as we highlight all of these different builders and all of the options that you have if you want to move out to Viridian, some of these builders you're going to find out can build you a very fancy house waterfront on the island. I do want to highlight a couple of things and let you know, when we talk about master plan community, there is a beach inside of Viridian. There is volleyball courts, tennis courts, multiple swimming pools. The HOA here is just crazy fantastic. So all that said, I'm going to pass some of this information on to my team. I'm going to pass you, on to my team so that you can hear all the things that Viridian has to offer. So we're going to start with John. Let's see if these keys will get him into anything.
Thanks, Stephanie. And here I am to kick off our Viridian tour of homes today. We're out here at CB Jeni, which is by far probably one of the better known and most affordable options out here in the Viridian. Prices out here for CB Jeni townhomes, 2-story, they start at $265. 1-story, they're a little bit more expensive. They start at $280,000. CB Jeni's great if you're looking for low maintenance floor plans, low maintenance exterior. They do have options where all of the maintenance is done for you. So let's come inside and see what CB Jeni has to offer. All right, let's pass the keys to Faith and see what she's got to offer.
Thank you, John. I'm going to show you David Weekley homes here in the Viridian Community. Follow me. Here at David Weekley, you have the Cottage Series, the Executive Series, and the Classic Series. Let me tell you a little bit about each. The Cottage Series is a 35-foot lot, starting about the $315 price point. We may see that go up a little bit here as they move into the next phase. You're looking at a minimum of 1,400 square foot, but you can build onto that, upwards to 400,000. The Executive Series, they're actually about to retire those lots. They're 50-foot lots, but it was starting at a price point around $340. The Classic Series, it's going to go into the next phase. It's the 55-foot lot. It starts at $440,000 and can go up, starting about 2,300 square foot and larger. Some of the features I love about the David Weekley homes. There's wide open space. Energy efficiency is very important to the David Weekley brand. They actually have certain guarantees for your energy bills because they put so much faith and trust in their energy efficiency. Feel free to come out with their model and you can see all the specifics on how it works. The David Weekley home we're in right now, I personally love the tall entryways. When you go down the hallway, the tall ceiling elements really makes this home feel grand and open. Now let's see where Tanya's headed. Here you go, Tanya.
Thanks, Faith. Unfortunately, these keys will not open anything today, but we're here at the Gehan new construction site for a model home. They will be coming very soon. The plans are for 340 and up, and the square footage starts at 1,800 square feet. And you can customize your home, go to the design center and pick what you would like. And we look forward to Gehan getting the model home in so you can come check it out. Now let's see where Stephanie's going to be. Thanks, Tanya. Looks a little chilly on that model home site. Thanks for sharing it with us, though. Let's check out what Highland Homes has to offer us here. So here at Highland, you have 65-foot lots, which is fantastic inside of Viridian. It's on the larger side for sure. The square footage starts at about 2,600-ish, and prices start in the 560s and goes up to over, I believe, 4,000 square feet, and the price can get just as big as your budget and your appetite is for unique features. So let's check out a little bit more of what's in this home. One of the things I love about Highland Homes is how unique some of their features are and the customizations. Anything from contemporary looking barn doors, which we don't think of barn doors as contemporary, to high ceilings, giant picture windows, plantation shutters, all of the things that you can add, different wrought iron on the stairways. There are just so many different features, and don't even get me started on the kitchen. All right, so I'm gonna run back to Tanya and see what she's got for us next.
Thanks, Stephanie. Hi, we're here at Coventry Homes, and let's go in and check out Coventry Homes in Viridian today. And I'd like to show you some features of Coventry builds here. They're 1,800 to 3,000 square feet, and they go from 350 to 450. You can customize, you can pick different features in at the design center that you would prefer to have. They have rear-facing garages here at this particular model. But if you want to go over to the island, they're more specialized. They start at 650 and up. They have front-facing garages, and the square footage is, I believe, around 3,000 and up. So you can customize there as well and go to the design center and pick all of your builds how you prefer them to be. So your options are unlimited here. It's a beautiful home, and as you can see, the beautiful kitchen with a huge island. The windows give so much natural lighting, the beautiful staircase, the soaring ceilings, cathedral ceilings. Just the unique features in this house is simply gorgeous. You have lots of storage cabinets, pendant lighting, all the beautiful features in this house you can customize and change, but we really like the beautiful openness of this house. Let's see where John is and what he has for us.
Thanks, Tanya. Let's go see what Drees Custom Homes has to offer. Here we are at Drees Custom Homes, where prices start at $530 and go as high as your imagination will take you. Yes, certainly the homes can get as custom as your budget will allow. In fact, they have island lots. The first ones that they had over on the new island sold out in 2 weeks, but they've recently added more. The island lots start at $700,000. Some of the custom features in this home include custom beams on the ceiling, elaborate woodwork, and the awesome lighting fixtures you see throughout the home. Let's toss the keys back to Faith.
Thanks, John. I'm at Windmiller Custom Homes. Windmiller is a unique product out here in the Viridian community. They actually have large lots on the island where you can build a home from literally their plans or to fit your exact needs. From foundation to roof, you can do everything custom. And the Windmiller custom home price point ranges from $600 or to your wildest dreams into the millions possibly. It depends on how unique and custom you want to make your home. Follow me, let's go inside. What I love about the Windmiller home that we're looking at now is the soaring ceilings. This one here is an entertainer's dream. All the loft space, the wonderful flow. I love the exposed brick wall. That's a unique feature. One of the things I love about the feature in their model home is some of their custom cabinetry. The woodwork is brilliant. In addition, they have a grand, beautiful staircase that really makes your home inviting. Now here you go, Stephanie. What do you have next?
Thanks, John. Drees Custom Homes, one of my favorite in the neighborhood. So here I am inside of, well, not inside of, in front of the Elements at Viridian. Elements is a community within a community. It is a 55 plus active adult community inside of Viridian. There's 3 different builders here. You've got Lennar, David Weekley, and Drees, all 3 building over here. Of course, the homes are going to be a little bit smaller because I think the idea, most of us as we get older, we want a little bit less to maintain. So 1-story homes, a little bit smaller. And by the way, these guys at Elements, they have their own, I'm sinking in the grass, guys. All right. They have their own clubhouse, their own swimming pool, and the amenities that are here for the Elements community are here just for them. So So the people inside of just regular Viridian do not have access to the Elements amenities. However, Elements residents have access to everything that's in the other pieces of Viridian. So anyway, we have seen so many different options, so many gorgeous homes, so many places, different budgets. This is truly a neighborhood for almost anyone. So if you have more questions about it, you would like to learn more about any of these builders, or let me just tell you a little secret. There are pre-owned homes inside of Viridian as well, so you can get maybe some of the spectacularness here without the larger price tag because you're buying something that's been lived in already. We would love to help you here at the Deeds Group. So please click, comment, like, share, all the things. We want to be able to help you. We want to help your friends. We want to help all the people. So let us know how we can do that. Thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic week.